In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a file in Visual Studio Code. This is a really simple but important skill, especially if you're cleaning up old code, removing unused components, or just keeping your project organized. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your Visual Studio Code application. You can launch it the same way you open any other program on your computer, whether that's from your desktop, your applications folder, or a taskbar shortcut. Once Visual Studio Code is open, make sure you're in the correct workspace or folder where your project files are located. You should see your project files listed in the Explorer panel on the left side of the screen. Now, take a moment to identify the file you want to delete. This might be a JavaScript file, a Python script, a text file, or any other type of file in your project. Before you delete anything, it's a good idea to double check that you've selected the correct file, especially in larger projects where many files can look similar. Deleting the wrong file by mistake can cause errors in your project, so it pays to be careful here. Once you've found the file you want to remove, move your mouse pointer over its name in the Explorer panel. Now, right-click on that file. When you right-click, a context menu will appear, showing several options related to that file, such as opening it, renaming it, or revealing it in your system's file explorer. From this menu, look for the option that says Delete. Go ahead and click on Delete. Visual Studio Code may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete this file. This confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental deletions. If you're sure about your choice, confirm the deletion. After you confirm, the file will disappear from the Explorer panel, and it will be removed from your project. In some cases, depending on your system settings, the file might be moved to your recycle bin or trash instead of being permanently deleted right away, which gives you a small safety net if you change your mind shortly after. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a file in